So here we're doing some more multi-step equations. Let's look at the first one. 2 subtract x divided by 4 equals 3. So the variable is x. What's happening to it? It's a bit difficult because this x is on the right-hand side. So we're taking x. Another way of thinking about that is that we are multiplying x by -1. That's why there is a negative in front of it. Then after that, we're adding 2. And after that, we're dividing by 4. So let's work these things in the opposite direction. Instead of dividing by 4, we're going to multiply by 4. So 4 times 4. So that's not very clear there. This 4 will cancel with this 4, which is going to leave us with 2 take x equal to 3. So that step is done. The next step is that instead of adding 2, we're going to subtract 2. So we're going to subtract 2 from here and subtract 2 from there. And that will leave us with negative x is equal to 3 take 2, which is 1. So that's that step there. Our last step is, instead of timesing x by -1, we're going to divide x by -1. And that will help us get rid of that negative in front. So that will leave us with x is equal to 1 divided by -1, which is -1. In our next problem, we have 2x plus 8 over 4 equals 2. So x is our variable. What is happening to it? Well, it's being times by 2. We're adding 8, and then we're dividing by 4. So let's do those things in reverse. Let's times by 4. So 4. It's really not liking my cursor at the moment. Times it by 4. We're going to times this side by 4 as well. So we're going to cancel that with that, which leaves us with 2x plus 8 equal to 2. This step is done. The next step is, instead of adding 8, taking away 8. So we're going to take 8 from both sides, which leaves us with 2x equal to 2 take 8, which is -6. This step is done. Our final step is to do the opposite of times 2, which is divide by 2. Divide by 2, divide by 2. This will cancel with this, leaving us with x is equal to -6 divided by 2, which is -3. And that's all steps complete.